guys, Jerry from Higher Mud. Today I am trying to put 200 series Land Cruiser mirrors onto my 80 series Land Cruiser. It's a bit of a process, so I'm going to take you through step by step. So I've already fixed this one on. There's a lot of modifications that I have to do to make it fit, which I'll show you in detail when I put the right hand side on. At the moment I'm in the process of working out what wires does what, which is quite fun considering that the original Land Cruiser mirrors have a 3-wire system and these have like 17, so it's going to take a bit of work to get it going, but we're going to take you through step by step and see how we go. So it fits nice, it's solid. We'll show you on the right hand side. Alright, so I've got my light here, I've marked it all up. So all this is what you've got to cut off, and around here there is a lot to cut off, but trust the process, it does work.
So we'll get started, I'll show you. Get away trying safety goggles, bit of a squint.
So this mark spot here, we've got to die grind all that out, and then inside that hole we've got to widen that to the right a bit just to get that stud to line up with the new mirrors. We'll go ahead and do that. I'm just going to be using my 2JM compressor to do the die grinder because I don't have a compressor at home at the moment, but they're strong enough. Throw that down there. It's going to be a bit hard to put it on, so I'm going to pause the camera and then I'll do what I got to do, and then I'll show you the end result. Alright, so we've got our bolts here that we're going to use. Now, this is what it looks like. Later on I will touch that up with paint so it doesn't rust. Basically you got to feed your cables down through there and we'll sit it on. Once again, it's too hard one-handed, so let's just there we go. That's how it sits. That's just holding on with one bolt at the moment because I'll grind this out a little bit just more to make that match up. And then pretty much we're going to just go straight with the door and cut that right off, and that'll give us a shape. Yeah, so we've marked our line with the door. Now we'll just cut that straight off. Go probably, I don't know, 5mm in, because we've got a plastic welder cap onto it, so got to give ourselves some room to add some material to it. So that's what you cut off, and then just the corner as well. Just that'll all get cleaned up once we do our plastic welding, so I'm not fussed with how it looks right now. And that's pretty much it mounted. So I've got a plastic weld inside here. Just put a plate on that, plastic weld it in, neaten it up, maybe give it a bit of bog or something. But she is on solid. So now the fun part of, I've got my mate coming, he's an auto elec, he's going to help me wire them up. So in the meantime, I might give these a wrap.